Hi everyone, this is Miss Census, and today we're going to be talking about the song Fall Leaves that you were working on in music with Miss McGuire, and we're going to connect that to a phonics lesson in relationship to syllables and finding the syllables. And so I'm really excited about this lesson because we'll be able to see how music and our classroom can connect. So to do a quick refresher with syllables, syllables are parts of a word made by one vowel sound. So if you have one vowel sound, that's one syllable, two vowel sounds, that it will be two syllables. Let's do a quick review of the different vowel sounds. All right, now that we have that review, we're going to move forward with finding syllables and identifying them. So this is a syllable review. There are two main types of syllables. There are, of course, different syllable types as well, but we have focused so far on the open syllable and the closed syllable. If you want a more thorough review, there's a video below. I'm going to include this in the presentation that I share with you all, so you can watch that for further, take a further look at that. And I'm just going to do a quick look at what an open syllable is and what a closed syllable is. So an open syllable, we want to look at this open door. So if you have the word like no, I don't know if you can see it in the video here, the word no is an open syllable, meaning that vowel, we see the vowel, we hear the vowel sound O, it's not closed in by a consonant. So it's able to get out the door, go for a long walk, take a long stretch, and it says that's long name. So we don't say na, we say no. A closed syllable, we think of a closed door. That would be a word like cat. So I hear a in cat, and the reason the letter A says a is because the T is the consonant that is closing in that A. The door is closed. It cannot get out for a long walk. Again, if you want to go over more examples and to have a more thorough review, please click the video below. All right, so we looked at, or you all looked at, the lyrics for the autumn song in music. And so not only are there lyrics and rhythm and beats, we can also look at the syllables that are often marked by the beats that you do in music. So Miss McGuire looked at eighth notes, and she showed you that each A chord was going to be marked by an eighth note. Well, the really cool thing is most of these eighth notes are marking a syllable sound. So we have in is one syllable, one vowel sound. The, I hear one vowel sound, one syllable. Ah, for the word autumn, so ah is one vowel sound. And then is another vowel sound, so autumn. They are being marked. Now, a few of these aren't exactly following our syllable rules. However, they are marking correctly that there are two syllables in these different words. So each oicorn is marking an eighth note, but it's also marking a syllable. Let's look more closely at the word red down below. It says orange and golden, red and brown. I'm looking at the word red, and although I've marked it as a closed syllable, let's review it. So I have the letter E. E says in this word because D is closing in that E. It cannot go out for a long walk. It says it's short vowel sound, so the word is red. Now let's look up at the word freely, soaring freely in the breeze. I hear E, the vowel sound E. So I know there's going to be one syllable, and I also hear E again at the end, so I know there's going to be a second syllable. This word also follows the rule when you have prefixes or suffixes, and so this is coming at the end of the word, changing the meaning of the word, ly, that's where you're going to split your syllable. But it's also marked with a vowel sound. So we have the E in lee and the E in free. So freely is 1, 2 syllables. So as you're going through music and you're listening to the different notes and marking the rhythm, also think about the syllables that you are able to recognize.